this. I was just sitting here kind of getting ready, and then I saw him right there because I already had like the camera up. His little white eyeballs. What are you doing? Yeah, okay. Oh, jeez Louise. He did not care about me at all until I whipped out the camera. No joke. He's just been sitting here, chilling, while I've been working. Oh, for real, he lives for this camera, and it's absolutely hilarious. On one of my last lives that I did on YouTube, he was in his kennel and he was crying, if you guys remember that, if you were there. And then he wasn't even like crying for me. As soon as I let him out, he ran and jumped in the chair where the camera faces for my live, where I was sitting. And then he doesn't look at y'all. Like he doesn't really want it anyways. Like he doesn't know it's happening. He knows it's happening. Yeah, we've caught on to you now. He is officially at his 16-month mark. That means he's going to get into his biggest growth spurt. He will still continue to grow until he's 2. He will be done after he's 2. So this September, so from January to September, he will continue to grow, and then he should kind of be done. However, I still feel like Loxy grew a little bit around 3 years old too. So I don't know, maybe just like a tad more, but anyways, he hasn't hit his biggest growth spurt yet. I laugh because I don't know what else to do, if I'm being honest. The way he throws his head into my body, it's just preciousness. Oh wow, look at that twatch. Say hi. Because we know that you know. And you know that we know that you know. That we know? Today's haul, I imagine, is going to be a hot mess because it's not quite Loki's nap time and I'm filming earlier than usual. But we're going to do a triple hitter today. We're going to do Family Dollar, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree. However, I didn't really find much at Dollar General or Family Dollar. I feel like my stores that I went to are kind of slow out the gate after Christmas. I was kind of hoping to go in there and see a slew of just like new arrivals, Valentine's Day, stuff like that. I have to be careful because his claws get into my cable knit. We're back again. Okay. All right. We just gotta let him do what he wants to do. You know what I mean? You want to stop him? So I feel like let's start off with Family Dollar. What do you think, Loki? He doesn't give a crap. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I went in and all I found were the handmade cards, which were $1. So these are actually cheaper than Dollar Tree at this point. And I also got a mug. So let me just show you guys the cards. They are super cute. These are, I just highly recommend these. Don't eat it. Please don't eat it. Like, look how cute that is. You can even pluck these little images off if you're just like into crafting. Did you see him grab my arm? Yeah, these are just great to journal with, but they're also really cute as cards. I just love the idea still of mailing cards out to family and friends. So, love that. I have a question. Am I just not remembering this, but did at one point the Postal Service run like every day of the week back in the 90s? Or was Sundays always off? I don't know why I feel like I remember them being all the time, but anyways, I digress. Then I found the cute little robots, which I love. Anything robots or dinosaurs for Valentine's Day is just it gets me, and it's super darling. Then I found this one, super cute. Again, you can just kind of like peel off the envelope and like use it for different things. And then probably my favorite out of the bunch, I love when they do I love you to the moon and back. For me, that's not really an overused saying, even though it probably is. But look how cute the moon is with the clouds. Dollar Tree did a version of this, but it had like teddy bears on it. Oh, and speaking of teddy bears, like look at this cute little vest I'm wearing today. It's got the hearts. I showed this, no. Actually, this vest was not in my vest collection video. I think it was the one that I accidentally left behind. But I will link my vest collection video down below in case you want to watch it. I think it's at the end of a haul. Then I found a mug, but let me tell you, this mug is worthy of like going into Family Dollar alone just for this beauty. Like when I look at this, I just think Pottery Barn level, I think Williams-Sonoma level. There's just something very chic and simple about this. Plus, I don't know if you can tell, but the red is kind of indented in there. So it's like, there's like pottery work to it. You know what I'm saying? It's not like a print. So it's just absolutely stunning. It was $3. They also have this in a flip reverse. They have it in a red mug, but the heart wasn't quite this bubblegum pink, and I just didn't like it. I thought that this mug was stunning. Honestly, I'll probably go back and get a second one because this is the kind of mug I, one, want to have in my cabinet to have coffee with or tea with. But two, this mug is just stunning for gift giving and for a tier tray setup. Like you can't tell me otherwise because it's a beautiful mug. Then as I was checking out, kind of disappointed that my Family Dollar wasn't quite there yet, I just grabbed a package of Sponge Daddies. All right, now let's get into Dollar General. Same scenario, not very much to choose from, but I'll just show you what I did pick up. So I found that they were putting out some of their Valentine's Day cards. Again, you know I'm a huge card lover. Junk journal with these, and this one was just so cute and plain and simple. They come with white envelopes. They had other options out, but it just didn't do it for me. This was it. I didn't really like what they currently have out. Then I found this adorable coloring book for $3. In comparison to the coloring books at Dollar Tree for $1.25 that are the adult coloring books, this does have more pages. So I'll say that. I mean, for $3 for a coloring book, I actually think this is a very good price. I mean, $1.25 is a steal. Like, I don't even know how that's possible, but most of the coloring books that I love to buy on Amazon, they're about $6. So the fact this was like a little country life, that's just so cute to me. So I got that. Then I decided to pick up this card game, Clue. Super cute. I might also go back and get a second package because when I originally put this in my basket, I got it for journaling. I think it would be so cute to do a Clue themed junk journal. So, and stay tuned because I have some amazing surprises coming to my Etsy shop. I'm going to be doing some custom stuff for you guys. Let me just put it that way. And the reason why I want to go back and get another pack is for like playing with it, like actual game. And the very last thing is another mug, except this one, please, not the strawberries. I love strawberries. They are my favorite fruit in terms of just like decor and cuteness and mugs and things like that. Like I'm addicted to strawberries. Is there a fruit that like you gravitate towards from that perspective? Is it like apples or something? But strawberries just take me out. There's no walking away if it's strawberries. They have this in a watermelon version, but when I compared it to the watermelon, the print of the strawberry was just, it was top notch. It looked way more expensive than $3. The watermelon looked a little bit more cheap to me, but this, it's everything. So vote which mug do you think is the cutest. I will leave a comment for both of them in the description or down below with the comments, and you can just click the thumbs up for whichever one. So I'll say like the heart mug or the strawberry mug. I just really need to know which one you guys like the most. All right, so that's it for Dollar General. Now I'll go ahead and just flip through the 2 bags that I have from Dollar Tree. So I picked up some dry erasers. I just need this to clean the walls. This just does a really good job actually of cleaning Loki's slobber. So yeah, and sometimes really high up on the walls, because when he shakes, it goes flying. One time I was walking him and he shook and it went in my eye. Yeah, it's about as gross as it sounds. All right, I picked up the adhesive pearl wrap. Nothing new. They actually make this in a bunch of different colors plus like a rhinestoney feature, whereas these are like pearls. So cute. I got another pack of the light pink pearls. I'm still on the hunt for the teal. And then I got these little gemstones. They have like little hearts, and they have like pink and blue and purple in here, and this really pretty green that I really like. So I got those. I also found a new loofah, which is so cute. I don't know why, but when I look at it, I think of ice cream. How cute is this? It's gonna look really sweet in a gift basket or a care package. So I got that. And then I picked up some ribbon. This is a hot pink color. I've been looking for the red. Now let me kind of talk about this for a second. So this is not the Valentine's Day ribbon, okay? So you're gonna find this brand where the ribbon section is. And if you're an avid Dollar Tree shopper, you probably know what I'm talking about. That's the good ribbon. Now the ribbon that has the Valentine's Day logo that's out usually towards the front of the store where Valentine's Day stuff is, that ribbon is pretty decent. Some of it's really amazing actually, but I noticed that they tend to be really stiff. So, and they also have a red gingham as part of the Valentine's Day, but in comparison to the red gingham with this label, there's no comparison. It's just a better quality material, if that makes sense. So I'm on the lookout for the red gingham, but with this label instead of the Valentine's Day label, is what I'm saying. I also picked up the felt hearts. These are also stickers, which is so amazing. Like that's really great. Like look how many little hearts that you get in here. So I got that. And then I found some bath bombs. Like look how cute these are. You always have to be on the lookout for like spa items because they come out like weekly at Dollar Tree. So these are just cute, the penguin and the polar bear. So this one's cotton candy scented and this one's frosted coconut. That sounds really cute. So I think those will be really sweet for a gift basket. And then I found this in the Valentine's Day section and I was like, what? It's a pumice stone, but like look how cute that. I've never seen it look like a lollipop. What? Grab this. This is gonna be so darling for like a teenager gift basket, you know? Because teenagers are just so hard to gift for. Like I think that would be really cute. Then I also found the nail files. You can just see the packaging here with the hearts, like this is gonna be Valentine's Day. So I found those. Then I found some more cards. This is Eleanor Wonders Why. So just thought they looked really cute. I'm not gonna open these up today, or am I? I guess I am. The fact that I'm sitting here wearing a cable knit sweater with a vest over it, and it's like 70 degrees outside. These are really cute. I love the material actually because it's not a glossy finish. Now this side is more of a smooth finish, but this is kind of like rough. I don't know, I really like that. So anyways, those were really cute. They're like counting numbers or whatever. This is a memory game. Oh, I love memory. Honestly, like I need to play some card games. I want to play like solitaire today, and I really actually love memory. I might actually just play it with these cards. Oh, those are so cute. I also got a packet of these little rhinestone green hearts. They're the crafter square. They're not part of Valentine's Day. They're just out all year long. And then I got these. Now see, this is the Valentine's Day label at Dollar Tree. So I got these little like heart scatters. Yeah, they're not like stickers or anything. They're just scatters. These are gonna be really cute to make a bunch of things. DIYs, card making. I'm actually gonna do a DIY soon using these, but not like home decor. So stay tuned for that. And then if you guys watched my last Dollar Tree haul, I hauled these amazing farmhouse decor pieces with the cow, the rooster, and the pig. And in that video, I talked about how it inspired me to want to do like a black and white themed tier tray. So with that in mind, I told myself, I said, okay, next time I go to Dollar Tree, let's keep my eyes open for anything that would be good for that tier tray. So I'm probably gonna style it in today's video. We'll see how I do. I might need to like go shop for a couple more things, but let me show you what I picked up. First, this little house. It's also a chalkboard, but I couldn't decide though if I liked the natural wood or the white. It's kind of, I mean, you can definitely see the difference, but it's way more white in person. Then I found this. So this is Crafter Square. This is not in the section I saw this in, and it has this galvanized little house. So I thought mixing galvanized might be really cute because I found this. What? So I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a cow with a pig and a rooster on top. So this is the cow, this is the pig, and that's the rooster with the beads, and you can see the galvanized. So I'm thinking the mix of the wood, the white, and the black will be cute. And then I also found these because these are absolutely amazing for $1.25. What? So you get the natural wood, you get the black, and you get the white. These would have been gorgeous for Christmas time for stockings, because I know that's like a whole new thing to add like a layered piece to the stocking and do initials. But you know what? You can get them now, put them away if you want to do it this year, Christmas 2023. But these are also going to be cute for gift baskets too. Like this is an item that, in my opinion, I would get and just kind of store away because you never know. Like this is stunning. And Dollar Tree, this item right here needs to be restocked for years to come. My stores are also putting out a little bit here and there for Easter. So they put out these twine eggs. Now, I don't think these are new. Are they new? I don't think they are. I feel like they were definitely out last year. And I got all 4 colors to show them to you guys, but I'm thinking, actually, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what color palette I want to go for Easter. I'm thinking blue and orange would be really cute. Maybe blue, orange, and green. Because I'm thinking I'm just going to do like pink and red for Valentine's Day. So I might opt out of these 2 colors, but they do not have these eggs in orange, by the way. So there's that. And then the last thing is just confetti. It's Easter confetti. It's super cute. And I'm just mentioning this to those of you that love junk journaling. And if you want to junk journal along with me, pick these up and we'll make some really cute shaker cards with these. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this little like triple hitter. I don't really know what I'm going to call this series, but it's really kind of fun to do Family Dollar, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree all in one video. So if you do like this concept, give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. It helps out the algorithm of my videos. So thank you for giving all of my videos a thumbs up, for those of you that constantly do it, because I appreciate that so much. And yeah, so that's it for today. I will see you guys. I will be back tomorrow. We're gonna do my Amazon favorites of 2022. I'm gonna dive into everything that I bought, not absolutely everything, but I'm gonna dive into my favorites of 2022. So don't miss out, and I'll see you there. Bye.